Welcome to Marukome channel. My name is Setsuko Matsumoto and I'm a chef, and I'm going to teach you how to cook miso soup today. Kenchinjiru is a traditional Japanese miso soup. It has a lots of tofu and lots of vegetables, and it's very healthy. I use a dried shiitake mushroom today. Last night I soaked in water about 3 to 5 shiitake, and it has a lots of flavor and has a lots of mineral. It's very healthy. The first ingredients, of course, tofu, and I have a very interesting tofu story about a Kenchinjiru. Look at this. You know why I'm doing this? Because in old temple in Japan, ancient time, the young monk was helping a master in the kitchen and bringing a tofu, and he dropped it on the floor. Then become like this, and then the master told him, "Don't worry, we're gonna use it like this." And he made a Kenchinjiru. That's a Kenchinjiru story. Japanese old style, the Aburaage is this size. So I'm gonna make 2 of them today. It's tasty. I cut in half, like an inch, like a 3 centimeters. Okay. Next ingredient, Konnyaku. This is very healthy. With your hands, wash your hands first. Then, it's fun. This is hands-on cooking. You know why I do this, not cut with a knife? Because it has more surface, catch the more taste. Old friends from Switzerland, I cook Konnyaku, and they said, "Oh my gosh, devil's tongue!" About this size, icho, ginko shape. The reason cutting half moon, I want to have a ichogiri. The Japanese carrots is bigger than American one, so I cut in half moon. They match the size. So after this point, maybe I could cut in ichogiri. 1 bite size potato, about this big. Shiitake mushroom, squeeze. This tastes so good. Brings up lots of flavor. 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And burn it. Then I shake it. Don't worry about burning. Yeah, burn is fine. Add Daikon Radish. Saute until daikon gets clear, half clear. Shiitake water, measure it, and American cup size is 7.5 cup. So 18, 500, 1 liter. That's a kombu, the kelp. This is a liquid miso. It's easier than paste type. See how smooth? Two, 3 tablespoons. Here's the Kenchinjiru is done. Here we go. Thank you for watching Marukome channel today. ありがとうございました。